What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Everything's Regular update video, man. If you guys caught my last video, you guys seen that I went to go to San Diego to pick up the rims, and now we're back home finna wrap these things up, man. We done got the wrap and everything, so now it's time to get done. First off, man, we're gonna clean the wheel, make sure there's no debris or anything like that on whatever you're gonna wrap. So if you got like alcohol, I would use that on the wheel just to clean it up and make sure everything is right. After that, you want to get your wrap, cut it out to whatever size you're going to need, and place it over whatever you're going to wrap. And just lay it there. You don't have to stretch it or anything yet. You get your heating source. Now me, I have a blow dryer, so you can do this with like home products. It's really easy. So what you want to do is just heat up your wrap, and once it starts getting like flimsy and softer looking, you can start pretty much bonding it onto whatever you're wrapping. So you just press, heat and press, heat and press, heat and press. You see me getting that arm work motion in, so we're just making sure everything is down and stuck on there. Just glassing it right now. Now you want to make sure you have no air bubbles or nothing like that. So even if you got to reheat the wrap, I would do that. The wrap is good for heating. It heats up, so don't be afraid to heat it up and stretch it out if you need to. Now you're gonna see it's glassed. You can see all the lines and fixtures in the rim now. Alrighty, so you guys see, for the most part, we got it in there. We got it stuck on there, but you know, now it's time to cut sooner than later. But we'll be cutting. We just want to get it all heated up, make sure it's all down and good to go. Hopefully we can cut it out pretty nicely, man. We'll see. So now that we got the first wheel out the way, man, we can just follow those steps and pretty much do it to the rest of the rims. It's pretty much straightforward. It's not hard at all. All you're doing is laying the wrap, making sure it's heated up, and then you're cutting out whatever you don't want. So you guys see me here cutting and stuff out. Yeah, it's really time consuming. So if you have a wheel like mine with a bunch of different like cuts and stuff, it's gonna take you a minute, but roughly each wheel was about 20 minutes, more or less. Alrighty, we got most of it cut out. However, I'm not gonna leave it like this with the white all over the wheel. I'm actually just gonna have it on the lines like I showed you guys previously. So we're gonna take off the middle part of each. So this whole lip should be black. The only thing should be white is the spokes. So let's take that off. But so far it's looking good, man. It does look a lot better. Alrighty, guys, and just like that, man, we have everything peeled off. Yes, it is a few little mixing grooves, not the best, but I gotta heat it back up really quick and just make sure everything is on there right and sticking. But I'm gonna trim it up a little bit, but for the most part, I mean, it is what it is. We got the look we were going for little to nothing, so I'm cool with it. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, so you guys can just tell the difference. Do you guys like the white or do you like the black? White or black? Time to get this second one done up. And I think I'm digging the white, man. I'm loving that. That thing looks so sick now, dog. What y'all think? And lastly, now that we got the other wheels done, we can crank out this last wheel and we should be pretty much done right after this. So you guys can just check out my warp speed of me doing it. And I'm sure you guys should be able to know how, I'm sure you guys should know how to be able to do it. Just like that, guys, you can change the color of your wheel within 20 minutes. You can just rub it in, get it nice and make sure it's firm. You can even heat it up again if you like. But for the most part, it's pretty much good. you have it. 2 wheels done.